Hello ladies and gentlemen and welcome back to another exciting video. Today I'll be talking about one of my favorite sites or app, that is the Lobet betting app. So without any further ado, let's start the video. So the first pro of Lobet, that Lobet UI is very crisp and clean and takes only a fractions of second to boot up the site or to open the site as well. It has a very appealing and eye-candy site theme which is pretty great to eye. Also offers lot of options when it comes to sports and casinos. Lobet also offers their apps on iOS as well as Android users as well. In Lobet there are great options and bonuses in sports category. Easy and fast withdrawals are also there. That is not just limited to the UPI and bank transfer, but you also get the debit cards and credit card options to reveal from. Also you get a small percentage of bonuses when you are using your credit cards on any major banks of India. Now we will be getting back to the insane offers that it provides on the casinos, also on the sports segment. In sports segments you get lots of options to choose from. There are many sports like cricket, basketball, badminton, tennis, softball, football, American rugby. There are racing options as well to choose from, like horse riding, dog racing, and there's another game as well that you can choose from that comes in the e-tournament segment of the sports criteria as well. You can tune into the e-tournaments platform where you can see live cricket matches that are virtual related or are like video games. Now we'll be talking about the casino segment. In casino segment there are insane lots of options when it comes to slots, casino games, aviator, and also you get lots of options when it comes to casino tournaments of blackjack, Andar Bhaat, Teen Patti. Also the tournaments are available in two languages, that is live English and live Hindi. Live by meaning is that you will be able to see the cards or the blackjack table and the roulette table in front of your eyes in the live screen of Lobet app. Lobet also offers WhatsApp Pay to make your deposits and also cryptocurrencies. Just keep in mind that the blockchain you are using for deposits needs to be the same when it comes to the withdrawal criteria as well. Lobet also offers great bonuses and other gifts like cashbacks, and some weekend offers are also applicable or available on the Lobet site, so keep a look at that as well. Another thing about Lobet is their brilliant support when it comes to the live chat or for the live ticket solutions. They provide the live ticket solutions or the ticket solution are provided to their clientele within 2 to 4 hours. That is pretty damn fast when it is compared with its other competitors like 4Rabbit or Parimatch. They offer a lot of great things when it comes to client handling or the live chat option. Also if you face some problems while playing or when it comes to deposit and withdrawals, don't forget to reach out to them via their email only, because live chat is only for understanding the site itself but not for their deposit and withdrawals. Withdrawals and deposit problems or their solutions are only given on their email, official email. So that was my overall review on the Lobet site or the Lobet app. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Also do let me know in the comment section if you are using Lobet or other site that you are using for the betting segment, and don't forget to press the bell icon as well, so whenever a video gets uploaded you get updated by it. So we'll meet you in the next video. Till then, keep betting.